Another day, another story. You can bring clarity in various aspects of life. Here are some areas where clarity can be particularly valuable. 1. Communication. Clearly expressing your thoughts and ideas helps prevent misunderstandings and promotes effective communication. 2. Goals and objectives. Having a clear understanding of your goals and what you want to achieve provides direction and purpose. 3. Decision-making. Clarity helps in making informed decisions by weighing the pros and cons and understanding the potential outcomes. 4. Personal relationships. Being clear about your needs, boundaries, and expectations fosters healthy and meaningful relationships. 5. Professional development. Having a clear career path and knowing your strengths and weaknesses can guide your professional growth. 6. Time management. Clear prioritization and organization of tasks ensure that you use your time effectively and efficiently. 7. Emotional well-being. Understanding and acknowledging your emotions leads to better mental health and self-awareness. 8. Values and beliefs. Having a clear sense of your values and beliefs helps you stay true to yourself and make decisions aligned with your principles. 9. Financial planning. Clarity about your financial goals, budget, and expenditures leads to better financial management and security. 10. Health and wellness. Being clear about your health goals, exercise routines, and dietary choices contributes to a healthier lifestyle. Remember, clarity is a dynamic quality that can be applied to various aspects of life, and it's important to continuously work on achieving and maintaining it. Thanks for watching.